Hello students, welcome to this particular session. Here we are going to deal how the SDT scheme is used to construct a annotated parse tree. The objective of this session is we are going to construct the annotated parse tree by evaluating the SDT given attached to the given grammar. So, the SDT scheme is used to evaluate the various semantic rules. Depend upon the evaluation order, the output may be varies, and depend upon the use, we are going to use either S attributed SDT or L attributed SDT. So, for this given SDT, we want to construct the annotated parse tree. Here you can clearly observe if T tends to FT dash, INH means inherited attribute and SYN means synthesized attribute. So, we are going to use the synthesized attributes and inherited attributes in this particular semantic rules. I want to process the expression 3 into 5. So, here I assigned 3 and 5 to the digits, starting the parsing process from the start symbol. So, when T tends to FT dash, according to that particular production, some action is going to be performed. So, we have to find the inherited value and synthesized value. When this digit is reduced to F, we have to perform what is the particular action associated with this particular production. So, digit dot lex value is assigned to F value. Here the lexical value attached to the digit is 3. So, which is assigned to F. Okay. Now, you can find T tends to FT dash. So, T dash INH equal to F value, some action is there. So, I have to find T dash dot INH value and T dash dot SYN value. Okay. So, you can see here T dash INH means inherited. If it is an inherited attribute, it may depend upon its parent or sibling. So, F value is to be assigned into T dash inherited. So, this F value is inherited to here as 3. Okay. Then T dash tends to star F T dash. Okay. T dash tends to star F T dash. Here also we have to find the inherited value and synthesized value. So, T dash INH equal to T dash INH into F value. Okay. So, remember here also we are going to find T dash INH and T dash SYN. Okay. Now, come to the evaluation. So, here also we got digit is reduced to F. When digit is reduced to F, we have to perform the action as the digit dot lex value is assigned to F value. That means, here we have the lex value 5 which is assigned to F as 5. But here you can observe when T dash tends to star F T dash, what we have to do? T dash INH equal to T dash INH into F value. That means, here it is a inherited attribute T dash INH equal to what we got? T dash INH into F value. Here T dash INH is the inherited attribute which is depend upon its parent. So, here its parent T dash INH value equal to 3. So, 3 into what is the F value? 5. So, which is assigned to F value as 5. So, 3 into 5 equal to 15. So, we have to write 15. Then, what is T dash SYN equal to T dash SYN? That means, the synthesized value of T dash is depend upon the synthesized value. Okay. Now, come to here. Epsilon is reduced to T dash. When epsilon is reduced to T dash SYN equal to T dash INH. That means, the inherited attribute value is assigned to the synthesized attribute value. So, here the inherited value is 15. So, I have to write 15 here. Then, when star f t dash is reduced to t dash, t dash tends to star f t dash, that means star f t dash is reduced to t dash. So, what you have to do, t dash s y n equal to t dash s y n, that means here t dash is the synthesizer attribute, it is depend upon its child. Here this is the parent, this is the child. So, we have to assign this to this parent. Okay. Then f t dash is assigned to t. When f t dash is assigned to t, there are two actions are there. Already we calculated or we performed this action. The remaining action is t value is t dash s y n. Here t is the parent one and t dash s y n the attribute. So, this is the parent, this is the child. So, this is to be assigned to t dot val. Okay. So, the t dot val equal to 15. By evaluating the 3 into 5, we got the value as 15, depend upon the evaluation of S attributed and L attributed SDTs. Okay. So, the particular SDT scheme is uses the S attributed SDTs and L attributed SDTs to process the string 3 into 5. Okay. Thank you.